As you're there, baby, we can do this all night. Keep on second guessing our love, oh love. I don't really care if you don't mind. Baby, we can do this all night.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my beauty space. In today's video, I do have a special guest. Well, I have a returning guest. This is my sister Melanie. She's been in a couple of my videos. I will go ahead and link those down below. So in today's video, I'm doing a very simple makeup look because we are taking professional photos today. Now, my sister did get her real estate license in Nevada, and so she wanted to have her headshot so she could start handing out business cards. So if you guys want to see how I achieved this makeup look, please keep watching. I'm going to sanitize my hands. And then we're gonna take the Evian Mist Spray. Next, we're gonna take the Pixi Skin Treats. This is a moisturizing gel for your face. What I do with my brows, I take my Pear soap, spray it with some setting spray, and I'm just gonna brush up her brows. And this actually helps keep the brows in place. I'm gonna take the e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer. Next, I'm gonna take the Tattoo Studio. This is in the shade Dark Brown. And in the front, I try to flick the hair up so it looks like hair. I am gonna take a little bit of concealer to clean up her brow. I'm gonna spray the brush one more time with some setting spray, and we're gonna move on to her right side. So any hyperpigmentation around her mouth. And then we're gonna take the green to hide all of her blemishes. I'm gonna take my beauty sponge to blend everything out. Once you're done color correcting, I'm gonna take her foundation. Now this is the foundation that she picked up. So this is Collab. This is Meet Your Matte. I'm gonna go ahead and shake this up. This foundation is a little bit darker for her skin tone, so I'm gonna use my concealer to brighten it up. So I'm just picking up the L'Oreal Infallible Wear, and then I'm also gonna pick up the Fit Me concealer. Now that her face makeup is complete, I'm going to use my Fit Me. This is a mauve blush. I'm gonna grab my Gerard Cosmetics. This is the Clean Canvas. I still want to give her a nice highlight under the brow. So we're gonna use our Gerard Cosmetics. This is in the shade Sophia. Always wet your brush when you're picking up any type of highlight. I'm going to pop a little bit of color in her waterline. So I am gonna use black. If you have someone that has watery eyes, when you apply their eyeliner, just give them a moment. So I'm gonna take my voluminous mascara, now that her eyes are not watering as bad. Now that her mascara is complete, we're gonna take the LA Colors. This is the Dramata Lash. I love these. You can actually get these from the dollar store. And I'm gonna use a little bit of mascara. Give your client time to breathe. We're just gonna add a pop of color to her inner corner. I'm taking the same Gerard Cosmetics palette. And then I'm gonna apply the same highlight to her nose. Cupid's bow.
smells good. What is that?
My lip gloss.
What kind of lip gloss is that?
It's summer fruits. I'm gonna take a makeup wipe because she does have beauty marks on her face, and I like to bring those back to life. Our foundation does cover them, so I'm just gonna go over her lip, and then she does have one right below her eye, which is really pretty. I'm gonna go back in with a setting powder because she did get a little oily. And the setting powder I did use was from Anastasia Beverly Hills. This is in the shade Peach. I'm gonna spray her face with a little bit of setting spray. This is once again from Gerard Cosmetics. This is the Slay All Day. This is the completed look. I hope you guys enjoy. I wanna thank you guys so much for taking time out of your day to watch my tutorials. I definitely appreciate the support. If this video was helpful for you, please do not forget to give me a big thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Like I said, I will add a few of her photos at the end of this video. Until next time, I miss you guys when I'm not here. I love you guys and all the support. As always, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. I'm going to sanitize my hands. So you're really not gonna say anything?
That's a strong look up. I'm thinking in my head, I'm like, keep it moving, keep it moving.
Look up, but not all.
That's what you meant by strong look. You couldn't get the eyelash.
Okay, go ahead and open up. No. Oh,
sorry. You're going at my eye with a metal tool, and you like, my eyes like, chill.
I'm gonna apply her lashes. The lashes I'm using are the LA Colors. Oh, the LA Colors. And this is how I've been doing my brows. So once you spray it, sorry, I dripped on you. Right below her eye, which is really pretty.
I have two over here too, if you want to do this ones.
One more.
You found
That's
that
it.
one, but
Right.
it was really up here.
Oh. Oh, come on. So I'm gonna go back in because she got a little bit of, and then we're gonna take the Evian Mist Spray.
I thought that was a bottle of water this whole time.
You're not supposed to be talking.
Oh. You tried to drown me?
I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Baby, we can do this all. That's mine.